Does the sound work okay like this? Does the colour look alright?
You once said something to me, brother. That sounds like me. You said
Seems to be mainly in there.
in the same river twice.
Greeks said
Back it down a little bit.
It's the same river, even if you muddy the water.
The little Tamiya 135th DKW and a Masterbox RAF pilot figure with some minor alterations, mainly to his face. I don't know that it would zoom in on my camera very well, but I've added a bit more of a tash for an RAF type. What-ho, tally-ho cats, bandits at 12 o'clock. Beware the hun in the sun. Anyway, what that got me away from was getting tired of doing these tyres. These have taken ages to clean up, mainly because of the big rigs that's around these things. They've taken hours to scribe down. If anything was tedious, it's been these. That nice bow shape there, I've carved away along there. This one obviously I haven't touched yet. I've got two more here that are in stages of being done. And as you can see, there's still a bit of a dish in the centre where I haven't yet cleared them off. If I can move him over a bit more. I've been using obviously a knife more than sanding papers. I've been using these two knives because they span the width of the tread, and literally starting at the high point and carving that down until I can get the knife to go across properly. Because if you hold that square to there, if I can hold that square to there without knocking everything off, you've got one hell of a gap in the middle. So I literally concentrated on this area first and brought the knife down square, literally working it from that area first. In fact, I started like that, looking at the lip going in there, and then carving away around the circumference and working my way around until I could bring the knife blade down to more across the centre. So I don't want to take a lot of that side off when it's this side that's obviously peaked more. This has been a very, to use my unfavourite word, tedious thing to get it anywhere near to this level. And it has literally taken hours to do it to get a nearly even effect. Anyway, that's the update on Too Tired. A little Tamiya motorbike and Masterbox figure. And tatty bye for now. Best wishes for jolly old England.